All right, clap once if you can hear me. Clap twice if you're attentive. All right, here we go. So I think this is the last lesson on subtraction before we jump into a new skill. Tracking the I can statement.
Tracking the I can statement.
It says I can use a standard algorithm to subtract across zeros. Read.
I can enter algorithm to subtract
Across zeros, okay? It's gonna be just like what we've been doing without subtraction, okay? Remember, we always start at what place value?
The
The ones. And if we don't have enough, we always move to the what? What direction? Left to find out what place value has an amount we can borrow from. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna continue that same thing today. However, we're gonna be subtracting a lot of zeros. So you gotta be careful in your regrouping, okay? Is everyone here have the problem of the day?
Yes.
All right. Go ahead and take 30 seconds and read it.
It's not page 85 because there's two and fours. One of them is A5.
So what page is it?
36.
36. Everyone should be on page 36. Everyone should be on page 36. 3 10s, 6 1s. Let's get there in 5, 4, 3. Hey, it's a typo, son. Okay? It's a typo. All right? Is everyone there on page 36?
Yes.
No?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get there. Go ahead and take 30 seconds, read your problem. Make sure you annotate. Go. Can I get a volunteer to read loud and proud? Delight, loud and proud, read.
Sandria is saving money to go to college. In the 11th grade, she saved $2,302. By the end of the 12th grade, she saved a total of $10,100.
Whoa.
$10,100.
There you go.
How much money did she earn during the 12th grade?
All right, hands. Any important information? Alan, start us off.
She said 2,102.
I didn't hear what you said. I'm sorry.
She said 2,000 and she said $2,302
Okay, in what grade?
in 12th grade. 11th grade.
You sure? Okay. Give me something else. Chloe.
By the end of 12th grade, she saved a total of $10,100.
So by the end of 12th grade, she saved how much, Chloe?
$10,100.
All right, Arnett.
How much money did she earn during 12th grade?
Right, we gotta find out how much did she earn during what grade class? 12. Question, how much money did she earn? Because I want to make sure we understand what's going on in this problem. Hands only, do not yell out. How much money did she earn, yeah, in the 11th grade? How much money did she save up in the 11th grade? I should have all hands. Melody, I can't hear you. Speak up, please.
In the 11th grade, she earned up to $2,304.
Are you sure? 2,304 what, apples? $2,304?
No.
Why you disagree, Jeremiah?
Because at the end
I can't hear you.
because in the ones place there's no 4, there's a 2.
So how much did she save during the 11th grade?
$2,302.
Okay. Do we know how much money she saved in the 12th grade? How much money she saved in the 12th grade? Do we agree?
Yes.
So why is the question asking us how much money she earned in the 12th grade then if we already know? Do we already know how much money she earned in the 12th grade?
It said the end.
Wait a minute. Bryson, what did you just say?
I said she saved a total of $10,100.
Is that how much money she saved in the 12th grade?
Yes. No.
That's it. It's at the end. Or what we're looking for, the unknown, is during 12th grade.
Okay, so we don't know how much money she earned during the 12th grade.
Yes, we do. No, we don't.
No, we don't.
Stop, one, two, you can hear me? I'm glad that you're engaged and you're thinking, but we can't yell out, okay? We can't speak at once. Carruthers, what do you have to say?
I don't agree with you because it said the
Move your hands from your mouth, because I can't hear you.
I don't agree with Michael because it says the total how much she had at the end of 12th grade. But you asking the question, how much money has she made inside of 12th grade?
Yeah. Master, who do you agree with, Carruthers or Bryson?
Because they only gave us the total, they didn't tell us how much during, how much during 12th grade. They just told us.
You got that gum, bro. I can't understand what you're saying.
They just told us the total of how much she saved, not during 12th grade, how much she had.
Okay, so we know the total of both grades, correct?
Yeah.
How much money did she save in 11th and 12th grade total? Bailey? Oh, you wasn't raising your hand? I'm sorry. Nelson?
$10,100.
Right, for 11th and 12th grade. But how much money did she save in the 11th grade? I want to make sure we don't forget that. Burden?
2,302.
Okay, and the question asks us to find what, Delilah?
How much she earned in
How much she earned in what grade, Dyson? 12th grade. I got a question. I want you to turn and talk to your partners. The money she earned in the 12th grade, the money she earned when?
In the 12th grade.
Would that amount be more than $10,100? Turn and talk. So would that amount be more than $10,100? What if we don't think about how to solve it? It's more than how like dollars. How do we know it's less? Yeah? Okay, go ahead. Okay. What do you have to say, Giovanni? Yeah? Why?
Okay, say the number.
Bob, once you hear me? The question was, the money she earned during the 12th grade year, would that amount be more than $10,100? Naomi,
No, because it's inside $10,100.
say that again?
It's supposed to, the number that, she, had in 12th grade is inside 10,100.
Dougie, what does she mean by that?
She's
That it's inside 10,100. What does she mean by that?
she's saying that it's gonna be less than $10,100 because it's
Okay, who understands what Naomi just said? Jace.
What she means by when she says because this and $10,000,
Yeah.
she means that but we're adding 2,302
Yeah?
is gonna equal to 10,100.
Okay, that's what she means. Okay. All right, here we go. Go ahead and take 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Find out how much money did she earn in the 12th grade. Just remember, say it again. No, you don't have to partition your space. Just remember, if your answer is more than what?
$10,100.
Means you made a small mistake. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Go. As I'm walking around, I'm making sure that your numbers are lined up on the correct place value. And more importantly, your numbers are not touching each other, so you can show your neat regrouping. How much money did she earn?
I see how the 0 turns to 10. How do you turn it to 11? Which number is bigger? 10,100 or 2,302? Just want to make sure.
30 seconds remaining. Sloppy. Scribbling. Kindergarten. Focus. All right. Clap once if you can hear me. Clap twice if you're attentive. Hands. Give me some values. Like how much money did she save in the 12th grade? Jemima, give me your answer.
7,798.
7,798. Anybody got something different? You got something different? What did you get?
7,697.
7,697. Okay, different ones, different hundreds. Does anybody have something different than these two answers? Delilah.
7,698.
Okay, you got different hundreds. Has anybody got a different answer than these three? What did you get?
I got 6,990.
6,990. Okay. All right, hands. Where do we begin? Where do we begin? I know we need an equation. Where do we begin? Arnett, what's our equation?
So I did 10,100
Yep.
minus 2,302.
Clyde wants if you have this equation. Remember, our greatest number is always where?
At the top.
At the top. I got some people still forgetting that. You can never take a larger number from a bigger number. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. How do we solve this? Because we got 4 different answers. Where do we begin? Bailey, start us off.
So first we can subtract.
You gotta speak loud and proud, dog. I can't hear
So
you.
first we can subtract 0 to. So we go to the 10,000 place and we cross out the 1 and put a 0.
Whoa, she started where, class?
10,000.
At the one.
At the 1. She said we can't take away $2 from $0, can we?
No.
Why did she go way to the 10,000s place? Bryson.
Because they had enough numbers that the other place values can borrow.
Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead, Bailey. What do I do?
So I cross out the 1 and put a 0.
Okay.
And then I go to my thousands place and I cross out the 0 and put a 10.
10. How much is 10 1,000s? Don't yell out, please. How much is 10 1,000s? I know 5 of them are 5,000. How much is 10 1,000s? Jeremiah? 10,000. That's how much Bailey borrowed, correct?
Yes, sir.
She borrowed 1 10,000, which is the same as 10 what? 1,000. Let's go. What do we do now? Hands. Burton.
We carried it. We crossed the 10 to a 9.
Why are you turning this 10 to a 9? What are you doing?
We grouping the
You mean you're borrowing? Borrowing what?
borrowing 1,000
1,000. I agree.
to put it to hundreds.
Okay, so this 100 turns into?
1100.
How much is 1,100 class?
1,100.
1,100. Who can pick up? Let's go. Arnett, what do we do now?
So I crossed out my 11 and put it into a 10
Why?
because my 10th place needed help.
So what are you doing when you cross a value out?
Borrowing,
Okay then.
and so I crossed out the 0 and put it into a 10.
Yes. How much is 10 10s class?
10.
100. 100.
100. 100. We're almost done. Who can help the ones? Carruthers.
I scratch out the 10 and turn it into a 9.
Let's use some math vocabulary. We scratch out or we borrow?
We borrowed
All right.
hundreds. We borrowed from the 10s and now we take the 1 from the 10s and we put it.
Take the 1 from the 10s?
Yeah, because we borrowed from the 10.
But you said we taking the 1. How much did we borrow?
We borrowed from the 10.
So what am I bringing over to the 1s?
The 10.
There we go. A 10. Now, can we subtract class?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me show you a small secret about regrouping. If you add these regrouping values up, you should get 10,100. That's to let you know that you're regrouping correctly. Everyone understand what Correa said? Like, how much is this? Say it again. Let me show you. 9,000. How much is this?
1,000. 10,000.
That's 10 100s, which is
1,000.
1,000. How much is this?
9,000.
90. How much is this? 10. 10. Let's see. How many ones? 10s. 10 10s, correct? 9 10s plus 1 10 is? 10 10s. Here's my extra 10. How many hundreds? 1. How many thousands?
10.
Well, that's the comment in the wrong spot. What did we get?
10,100.
So that means that we did regroup correctly. So that's a way to check your regrouping. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's start subtracting. 10 minus 2?
8.
8. $90 minus $0?
9.
10 hundreds minus 3 hundreds?
700.
700s. 9,000 minus 2,000?
7,000.
7,000. How much money did she earn in the 12th grade class? 7,789? $98. Excellent job. Question. How many times do we need to regroup? Look at it. How many times do we need to regroup? Bryson.
3 times.
Bailey.
I think it's
4 times. We regroup where? Thousands, hundreds. How many times is that? 4. Remember, did we regroup the 10,000s? No, we had to do what? Borrow. Excellent job. Excellent job. Excellent job. That's going to be the key today. Is that understood? Whenever you're multiplying across zeros, you do the same subtraction. You move to the left until you find what? Say that again. A place value that you can borrow from. Here it is on the English chart. Same problem. You see it?
Yes.
All right, remember, $10,100 was the total she saved for both years. 11th grade and 12th grade, correct?
Yes.
They gave us the value for what grade?
11.
11th grade. We subtracted to find the money she spent, the money she earned for what grade?
12th grade.
12th grade, okay? Just a reminder, when you're regrouping across multiple zeros, you move to the left until you find a place value that has what?
More than 0.
More than 0 or enough you can borrow from. Is that understood? All right, here we go. Let's go to workshop. Ready for your MDs?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and MD the first row. Second row. This question goes with these top 2 problems, so make sure you do that. Skip the third row. I want you to do this question about the voting between men and women. Okay, and last but not least, I want to see if you can knock out this problem with the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, those are 4 problems. You have 10 minutes. You're working with your groups, tracking Mr. Correa. Let's make sure we're not too loud. Is that understood? I want you to be walking around, making sure you meet the criteria for success, making sure that your place values and your digits are what? Lined up. And more importantly, since we're regrouping multiple times, making sure your digits are spaced out. Is that understood? All right, you have 10 minutes. Go. Naomi, that's going to be too big because you can't write your answer in there. You're doing too much, man. Come on. You're busy. Let's go. So where do you go first to regroup? Show it. Good job. Can you take 8 1 0 0? Can you take 9 10 1 0 0? So what do you do? Right, you go to the left. Right. So what do you want to do there? Show me. Expand upon it?
No, I run it out and I was and I crossed that to 10.
What big equals that? Let's see. With glasses. How we doing on that?
It's 11,000.
Take away 1,000 or 2,000. answer, but you should be 200. That's the same thing. So you have to go out. Let this one off. There you go. Good job. Remember, you only started the place value. Good job. Good. How we doing, girls?
Like, when we get in the car,
How you doing, girls? What's wrong, Maddie? Yeah, girl. Yep. Got it? How we doing, Lane? What you got? Four minutes remaining. I'm seeing good work, people.
Oh, yeah, we did like
Yeah, give me some stuff.
so basically, you just
Yeah, minus 9 is 0, but how did you get 0 when you had 10 up here? 10 minus 9 is 1.
No, we had to do it
But
for
now it's correct.
we had to do it for both. We said we did it for both.
You know, Jenny. That's why I'm here. Right, all right. Here we go. Uh-huh. Yep. Right. Neat.
Yeah.
15 seconds remaining. All right, clap once if you can hear me. Clap twice if you're attentive. Clap once, clap twice. All right, go ahead and separate yourselves.